To connect headphones or earbuds using a Bluetooth with Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, we need to grab our headphones. In this case, I have those Sony headphones, and I'm going to enter a pairing mode by clicking on the power button and then holding it until it says that it's in the pairing mode. So now that we are in the pairing mode, we can move to my Samsung right here, open a Bluetooth settings by swiping your finger from top of the screen, and then we can click on the Bluetooth just like that. Right here, go to the details and then wait until your headphones show up on the list. Also, you need to make sure that Bluetooth is on. I'm not sure if I said that, so let's just wait. So here they are, we can click on them. Confirm pairing, and they are successfully connected with this smartphone.